the view with the mountains and the waterfall and feel the water on the skin.
There are some places in nature that can cast a spell on you. One that can take you back anytime you close your eyes. The Jogani Falls in Manali is one such place. It is about 7.5 kilometers from the Manali bus stand. It is one of the best short hikes in Manali. We visited the place in the month of June. We hiked from Manali to the destination we had heard so much about with bated breath. The Jogani Falls mark the boundary of the Vashisht village. The land on the other side of it belongs to the Goshal village. Jogani Falls is extremely sacred, and it is said that the protective goddess of the village resides inside the rushing waters of the beautiful falls. Below the falls, there is a small shrine of the Jogani Devi who is worshipped by the local villagers and respected by the visitors. The height of the falls is around 150 feet. We could see the water cascading from the mighty mountains. The sound of the falls pierced the silence of the place and kept our eyes glued. Sitting in front of it, we felt a rush like we have never felt before. The trail to Jogani Falls was filled with beautiful views. However, there were some plastic bottles and packets strewn here and there. We picked whatever trash we could see on our way back and gave it to the garbage collectors.
It's just amazing to be here and the view with the mountains and the waterfall and feel the water on the skin. That's amazing. That was heavy, really hot, but it's really nice to be here. So hiking is really hard, but when you see this view, it's absolutely worth. So I'm happy to be here with the guys. It's a nice day.
Jogani Falls is one of the best place in Manali. If you're visiting Manali, you should visit to Jogani Falls. And while coming up, you should be careful about the way and try to reach as much as high you can. And do not waste any plastic. Do not throw any plastic. And save the environment, save the nature, and enjoy the beautiful falls of Jogani. And avoid using plastic, carry your own Milton bottles, and
If you ever plan on visiting this place, remember, it's not just the falls. The views of the Himalayas are equally breathtaking and will often force you to stop and gasp at them. Make sure you don't litter and keep the place clean. Bask in the beauty and let Mother Nature embrace you and make you forget the busy world you left behind.